Greetings Internet, long time no see. But today I have a little simple but maybe not so obvious trick about Blender textures, Blender procedural textures that will have you to get a really interesting and unusual patterns really quick and easy. So let's go straight to Blender, and what I want is a little bit rearrangement here, there, and this will be a 3D viewport as well, and I'm going to be rendered, and this as well. So we have our basic material, and let's drop in texture, Voronoi texture, and plug color to base color. Nothing fancy. Let's do this, and nothing fancy. But as soon as you get this distance and kind of abuse it and use as a vector input, voila, you get an amazing pattern on a default cube that could be sold as some great NFT art piece. By the way, check out my NFTs on Rarible. Sorry. Yeah, that's basically it. Let me show you how it works in some details. This first Voronoi node defines the structure of a pattern. So how many origins of these circles there, or how they aligned in space. Second Voronoi node defines how this pattern colored. So you see, basically, origin stays in the same place, and the only thing that different is coloring. Also, those two parameters, distance metric and feature output, can be changed, and they could be changed, and they have really interesting combinations. But so yeah, Manhattan is these diagonal square ones. Chebyshev is like alternative rectangles. Minkowski has these almost star-looking patterns, and with this exponent value, you can transform these stars into squares through circles. Really interesting. And if you switch this F1 to smooth F1, you'll get even more interesting pattern. Also, you can switch to Chebyshev. And get this. I do not know how to describe it other than it's just awesome. If you switch to smooth F1 on the second Voronoi node, as you may already guess, you'll get this blurred texture. Smooth F2 is a basically same structure, but very different look. Yeah, that's basically it. And actually, you can not only use Voronoi texture as a second node or even a first node. You can Musgrave texture works fine as well. So I do not remember what it gives us if we plug it to vector. Oh, not bad. So basically, you get the idea. But I like the way it works when we feed distance to scale in a Musgrave with Minkowski and smooth F1, I guess, with dimensions reduced to really low value. Sorry. And let's bring a color ramp here to split colors a little bit more. Not colors, but so. Aren't those patterns awesome? So that's basically it for today. Thank you. If you like, hit the like button, consider to subscribe on my channel, drop some Ethereum or Bitcoin. These addresses also they'll be in the description below. Check out my other videos and leave a comment. Maybe you know some other interesting tricks or whatever. See you.